Look what I came across today, you guys. Another crane lift here in downtown Chicago. So this is for a new elevator in this building. So the crane is all set up and ready to go then, right?
Yeah.
Why are these weights out here?
They don't need them.
Oh, really? So they just don't need these weights? Interesting. So yeah, they just got weights sitting here for this crane, but I guess they don't need them. Dude, I did one of those recently and it got a lot of views. All right, so we're at a crane operation. This is on Wabash. That is Wecker right there. There's Trump Tower. I'm sure everybody can see it. Here's a better look at this crane. I see this manufacturer all around all the time. The brand. I'm sorry it's so loud. They're sandblasting really close. That's for an elevator. A very slow process. The sound is killing me. Alright, here's what it looks like from the sidewalk. Guys, so we've seen one lift, but here's another look at it. Here's the old elevator equipment they brought down. Now the new equipment was a lot bigger that you saw being sent up, but this is all done on gears. The new equipment is gearless, so elevators, man, just lifting people up and down to where they need to go. Another lift going up. They have to take these barrels up for some reason. These barrels are probably filled with some sort of lubricant or something like that, but I would be sure that it's a petrol product. This crane moves so slow. People don't understand that by moving so slowly, you're increasing your safety. So the elevator guys, they were just on the rooftop. All types elevators. There you can see how far in that reaches. projects like this, you have to sit in the middle of the street to get the best views. All right, coming down for another load. This is gonna be my last one. I gotta head out of here, you guys. And it is a beautiful day, but I'm in the shade and it's not like being in the sunshine. It is just enough of a breeze to feel a little cool. And there you hear that sandblasting going in the background. Damn, that stuff is so loud. So I would say that rope hanging there, of course, I'm just talking about this like I'm an expert, but that rope, so when they get it upstairs, they can pull that barrel closer to them before it hits the ground or the floor. So there will be somebody up there to grab on that barrel and pull it in place with that rope that's hanging. Anyways, you guys, this is LV Hotels. This is on Wabash and Wacker. This is all elevator equipment. So if you go to this hotel in the next couple of months, you'll be riding on new elevator. But incredible lift work here in downtown Chicago. All right, so what's your name, man?
Dakota.
Dakota? So you're just the driver here getting all this equipment. Do you ever work on the equipment like the guys are on the roof?
No. That's strictly union.
Okay, so a driver is not union then?
No. We can pull parts for them, but we can't actually work on the parts.
Well, this is Chicago. It's a union city.
Exactly.
Well, how do you like working in this job?
It's awesome. It's awesome. I hope to go up higher and join the union soon.
Yes, dude.
It's very cutthroat, but it's a great career. And once you're in it, you're in it for life.
Dude, that's union work.
Yeah.
Yeah, once you get on that union, you're set.
Elevator constructors, local too. Chicago.
So where all are you working on elevators then?
Everywhere. Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana, we're all over.
Okay,
we
so
have at least 800 locations that we work on. We're a company of about 50 guys.
Wow, okay.
And a lot of apprentices.
So only 50 of you then, huh?
Just for our company.
That's a pretty small company.
Yeah, it's a family company, all types of elevators.
Okay.
1997 is when we opened up.
Really? Wow. Okay, where are you guys headquartered?
Worth, Illinois.
Worth?
Yes, 111th and Ridgeland.
Okay, yeah, the south
Chicago.
suburbs.
Yep.
All right, man. Well, thank you so much,
Yeah.
dude. It's incredible to watch this.
Yes, sir. Dakota.
I appreciate you, Dakota.